Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will discuss about fast Fourier transform in SciPy. So the FFT stands for fast Fourier transformation, and the Fourier transformation converts the time domain signal into the frequency domain. Okay, just remember that it converts the time domain signal into the frequency domain, and it breaks a waveform. Waveform means a function of signal into another replacement categorized by sine and cosine. I think you know about the sine and cosine. So it can convert the periodic time signal, whereas the Laplace transform converts both periodic and aperiodic signal. Okay. So there are a kind of fast Fourier transformation. One of them is one-dimensional discrete Fourier transformation, and another is discrete cosine transform. Okay, so let's go for the code. We just implement a fast Fourier transform in our code using SciPy. So let's start. You need to import a library for fast Fourier transform from SciPy. So from SciPy dot FFTpack import sheet, and after that you need to import numpy. So import numpy as input, and now I will define an array. So x equal np dot array. So I will take there 3.0, 4.0, let's say 1.0 minus 6.0. Okay. Now I will apply FFT function. So for FFT function, you will need to apply FFT, which I want to convert in FFT form. That's the x. That's why I will write there x, and I'll print y. Okay. So let's execute this shell. Okay. And now this is the fast Fourier transform of this section. Okay. So in this code, actually, the SciPy.FFTpack module allows to compute fast Fourier transforms, and we can use it noisy signal because this signal requires high computation. Okay, so that's the way you can use FFTpack in SciPy, and there are a lot of resource in about the FFTpack in SciPy. You can go through it, and I will give the source code in the description box, so you can practice and also convert it in another way. So thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial.